Ready to send some cash, but Cash App's throwing a wrench in your plans. Let's troubleshoot why your money's stuck in limbo. First step, the most common culprit: insufficient funds. Double-check your Cash App balance and linked bank account. Make sure you have enough to cover the payment, plus any potential Cash App fees if your bank account's low. Topping it up might solve the problem. Next, verification hurdles. Cash App needs to know you're you. Tap your profile icon. Usually in the top right corner, look for any prompts to verify your identity, like confirming your email, phone number, or providing additional info. Complete these steps. Verification issues can block transactions. Has Cash App put you in timeout? Account restrictions can happen due to suspicious activity, violating terms of service, or exceeding sending limits. Check your Cash App notifications for any alerts about limitations. Contact Cash App support directly through the app to understand the reason and how to lift the restriction. Security measures can also be the culprit. Cash App might flag certain transactions as high risk, especially if they're unusually large, to a new contact or from a different location. While there isn't much you can do other than waiting, contacting support might provide answers. Still stuck? It's time to contact Cash App support directly. From the home screen, tap your profile icon, then scroll down to support. Explain your issue clearly and provide any relevant details about the failed transaction. They're the experts and can provide personalized assistance.